Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to create a community post on the YouTube mobile app. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So, in order for you to create a community post, you will need to have more than 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube account. If you don't have 1,000 subscribers, then you won't see the option to create a community post. So let me show you how to create a community post on the YouTube mobile app. On your phone, open your YouTube app. Make sure you're logged into the account that has more than 1,000 subscribers. Now tap on the plus sign at the bottom, then tap on Create a Post. Now here you can share anything you like with everyone. This can be a message, a photo, or even a poll. Once you're done, you can select Public or only channel members. Tapping on this clock icon will let you schedule the post. Once you're happy with the post, tap on Post. This will post it to your community tab. You can view your community post by tapping on your profile image at the top right, then tap on Your Channel. Now tap on the Community tab at the top. Now on this page, you'll see your post which you have posted just a few minutes ago. And there you go, that is how to create a community post on your YouTube mobile app. My name is Karthik and you're watching Simple Dad. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.